Hi everyone, I'm Lucas, and I'm here to share my entire experience using Vigortrix, because I know many people wonder if it really works. I've always liked taking care of myself, but lately I started feeling a drop in energy, low libido, and a lack of confidence during intimate moments. This was greatly affecting my relationship and my self-esteem since I couldn't maintain the performance I wanted, which caused a lot of insecurity for both me and my partner. That's when, after doing a lot of research, I found Vigortrix and saw that it's sold exclusively on the official website. I decided to take a chance because I saw many positive reviews and preferred to ensure I was getting an original and safe product. It's very important to be careful because there are fakes and scams out there. Many people end up buying from questionable sites and receive counterfeit products or nothing at all. One of the things that caught my attention the most was the 100% natural formula, made up of vitamins, minerals, and powerful extracts like Peruvian maca, Tribulus terrestris, and ginseng, which help stimulate blood circulation, increase natural testosterone production, and improve overall energy. Within the first 2 weeks, I started feeling more energized, with increased desire, and my sexual performance improved a lot. Today, my relationship is completely renewed. I can have firmer and longer-lasting erections, full control during sex, and much more intense orgasms. My partner noticed this change, and our relationship has strengthened a lot. Additionally, Vigortrix helped me overcome the anxiety and fear of failure that used to affect my confidence so much. Now I feel secure, confident, and satisfied, which has raised my self-esteem to a whole new level. The usage is super simple. Just take 1 capsule a day, always after your main meal, with a glass of water. I didn't have any side effects, which made me feel much more comfortable continuing the treatment. Another positive point is that it is approved, manufactured in GMP-certified facilities, and suitable for men of all ages and physical conditions. Besides improving my sex life, I also noticed that my energy at work and in daily activities increased a lot. I started sleeping better, waking up more energized, and feeling much more confident to face the day. Today I feel younger, with renewed energy, and ready to enjoy moments with my partner even more. Vigortrix was without a doubt one of the best investments I've made in my personal life and in my relationship. That's why Vigortrix should only be purchased on the official website, which offers satisfaction guarantee and discreet shipping. If you're not satisfied with the results, the company offers a refund policy to ensure your investment is protected. If you also want to recover your vitality, boost your self-confidence, and give new energy to your sex life, I highly recommend trying it. But always buy from the official website to guarantee safety, product authenticity, and warranty rights. I hope my testimony helps you make an informed decision. Good luck on this new phase.